There are two ways to make money online, and if you ignore these two methods, you could be really struggling for a very long time trying to achieve that laptop lifestyle that you really want. What's up guys? Welcome to this video, and today I'm going to show you how you can make two killer ways to make money online. So thank you so much for coming back to my channel. We talk about making money online, working from home, and becoming an entrepreneur. And if you subscribe to my channel right now, what I'll do, I'll send you an update whenever I came out with a new video, which is pretty much every single day. And so I'll send you a notification if you subscribe, and so that the way you guys don't miss anything. Okay, so subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and I will say this is probably the only two ways, the only two things that you guys should be focusing on. And there's actually a third way which I don't recommend, and that is trading time for money. So doing freelancing, doing something like data entry, where you're really working online, you're working underneath a company or something like that, or you're working per hour. But what you're really doing is you are trading time for money. You're really hard to scale something like that. So right now I want to give you the two, probably I will say the only two ways I would recommend to make money online. So this is it. You only have to, number one thing guys, is paid traffic. Alright, if you already have a good amount of capital and you can invest in advertising to drive traffic to a specific offer or a product, you have an affiliate, or maybe you have an affiliate offer, something like an e-commerce product, or something like you are selling something on the internet that you will be outsourcing. You can pay. If you could pay for traffic to do that, then that's amazing. That's great, because there are people making millions of dollars doing this, but a lot of people do not have the capital and the income to pay for advertising, and it's cost too much and get involved in a business like that. Now guys, in the other way is called free traffic. What you are going to doing is creating content around a specific niche. All right, so you're gonna be choosing a platform out there on the internet, and you are going to be creating content on a regular basis. Now guys, the free traffic is not an instant traffic, right? Especially if you are just getting started, but it's something that you can start, and it can be slowly grow and scale over time. And when it's come to the content, once you place the content out there on the internet, maybe like on a platforms such as like YouTube, or maybe Facebook or Pinterest. Well, once you get the content out there, it is there forever. It be there for years, and people can find it like 2, 3, or 4 or 5 years, even 10 years down the road. Someone can find your video, and you can still earn, you can still generate leads and sales from that piece of content. So that's free traffic, you guys. So guys, you have to choose one or the other, the best rating you can do. Now you can do something like a little home mom and pop shop. You can make a little gadget and a different thing, or jewelry, or whatever, and you can sell that online through eBay or Etsy. But the thing with that is that you have to be there. Somebody has to ship the product. What I want to talk about is one thing that I really love to do, and that's to have the time and freedom to do what I want to do. I want to able to travel and go where I want to go and still have the income coming in. Okay, and so that's why I want to narrow it down to just these two methods. So really is that simple, guys. So what you are gonna choose? Do you have the capital, the money to invest into advertising and drive traffic to a particular product or course or affiliate product or offer you? And the other thing is you don't have the capital to do, and if you're gonna need to create a content, that's why I am doing it right now on this video. This actually cost me nothing to do. I just record a video and give a valuable information and I upload it on YouTube, and then people watch this video. But the people that watch it, that's giving me views. But then what I can do is I can direct people to maybe an offer or maybe something that I am excited about, or maybe some like another video that I want my audience to see something that I think will interest them. And so that's how I'm generating content on my channel. Two method, guys. And here's another thing I want to tell you. If you don't choose one of these methods, then what are you gonna do? What is that thing that you're looking for? Because if you are looking for the magic bullet, push button, getting rich, getting software, something that's secret, that's just gonna help you to generate a bunch of money overnight, without doing anything but just sitting down and generating money on autopilot, guys, it doesn't exist. You have to really take action and you have to believe in yourself. That's the main thing, that you can really do this. Because I know if I can do this, anybody can do this. And I'm pretty shy and introvert, right? I've got my issue just like everybody else, but I decided to do it because I want to change my life. So guys, implement these two ideas to make money online. And if you want to go with the free traffic, start a YouTube channel because it's 100% of free. It costs you nothing. So for that, so just I wanted to create this video for you guys, my two methods. And if you don't choose one of those, then guys, what you're gonna do, what you are really gonna do, but you have to make a decision. And you don't have the capital, then create content obviously and start a YouTube channel so you can generate free traffic, because that's the best thing. I think it's evergreen. You don't have to worry about watching statistics and stats and wondering where the money going or losing money or anything. That's just evergreen content that just keep coming out, and it's scalable to you. You'll get more views, you'll get more subscribers, and it's a wonderful thing. So think about that, guys. If you got some value on this video, guys, give me a thumbs up and I will appreciate that. And if you guys would like to learn, if you want to something that you can promote that will help you to generate a full-time passive income right online, which what I am doing, and it changed my life, well, check out the link below in the description of this video, guys, and I will share with you more information on how you can do that changes my life, and you can start it by today. So click the first link in the description, my #1 recommended system that teaches you exactly how to go from zero to $1,000 a day online, working from home, step by step. It's a 30 minutes pure value webinar that teaches you exactly how to do this. So click the first link in the description, register for the webinar. And guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, just comment on this video.